Hi, I'm Gurleen from Gurleen's Education Academy. In our last videos, we covered the introduction to Ielts and Ielts test format, where we covered the 4 modules of Ielts that are reading, writing, listening, and speaking. In the following videos, we are going to cover all the 4 modules in detail. But to start with, we need to clear the basics of grammar, as grammar is the most significant part of English language. And I'm sure you must be already familiar with the grammatical concepts. Now let's quickly refresh them in the upcoming sessions. Let's start with the parts of speech. First, the definition of part of speech. It is a system of classification of words that have similar grammatical properties, and they tell us how a word is used in a sentence. There are 8 main parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each part of speech has a specific use or function. Let's have a general overview of each one of these. First is noun. Noun is a naming word. It can be a name of a person, place, thing, and ideas. Example: boy, India, pen, happiness. Second is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Example: I, you, we, he, she, it. Adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Example: honest, intelligent, tall. Verb. Verb is an action word or state of being. Example: sing, play, skip. Adverb. Adverb is a word that describes a verb. Example: fast, slowly. Preposition. These are the words that tell a position or show a relationship. Example: on, in, between. Conjunction. These are the connecting words or linkers. Example: and, or, because. Interjection. They express emotions or surprises. Example: hooray, alas, oh, wow. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.